I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data. Backup or image the drive so you can recover if cloning fails. Next, power off and remove the battery if removable. Unscrew the access panel with a PH0 driver. Connect the new 2.5-inch SSD to the laptop using a soldered USB adapter or enclosure so the system sees it as an external drive. Once connected, launch your cloning software and choose the internal HDD as source and the SSD as target to copy the system partition. With the SSD attached, start the clone and monitor progress. Choose sector by sector only if you need exact replication, otherwise copy partitions and let the tool resize. Once cloning finishes, verify partitions on the SSD and mark the system's /EFI partition active when necessary. This ensures boot records transfer correctly. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI setup. Change SATA mode to OSI if not already. And note where boot priorities live so you can point the system to the new drive after you swap hardware. Power off, detach the adapter, and open the access panel to remove the HDD. Replace it with the SSD, align the connector, and fasten screws. Once reassembled, enter BIOS and set the SSD as the primary boot device, then save and reboot. After Windows starts, run disk management to extend partitions or assign unused space. If the laptop doesn't boot, don't panic. Re-enter BIOS to confirm boot order, try reconnecting the original drive, or verify the clone image on another computer. Re-clone if you detect corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.